Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use dropship.io, one of the best product research tools for dropshipping. Whether you are new or just looking to find winning products, this step-by-step guide will help you start the right way. Dropship.io is a web-based tool that helps you find trending dropshipping products, analyze your competitors, and track sales all in one place. It's great for Shopify store owners and aspiring entrepreneurs. To get started, head over to dropship.io, then click Start 7-day trial, then enter your first and last name, enter your working email, then use a strong password, then click Create Account. Now choose a subscription plan, like basic for $39 per month, standard for $59 per month, premium for $99 per month. Once you are in, you will see the dashboard. Let me give you a quick tour. Dashboard sections, product database, find trending products, competitor research, spy on other Shopify stores, store analyzer, see what's selling well, sales tracker, track daily sales for other stores. Let's say you want to find a winning product, then click Start for free, then enter your billing information. I will use a temporary card for this tutorial. Visa card generator. Then select JSON and click generate. Copy the name, enter here. Copy the card number and paste here. Copy the expiry date and finally copy the CVV code and paste here. Now click the checkbox, or if you want, add your phone number. Then click Start Trial, then click Save. Once you are in, set filters, search for a product, select category, price range, order volume, Facebook or Instagram ads activity, review results with product names, images, and estimated sales. Look for products with high engagement, rising trends, and consistent orders. Avoid oversaturated niches. Click on a product, view more details, find supplier like AliExpress or CZ Dropshipping. Next, you use the competitor research tool to see what other successful dropshippers are doing. Type a keyword like pet hair remover, see stores selling the product, analyze product, pages, prices, and ad strategies. This helps you understand how others market the product, which helps you do it better. Now click View Store to analyze their homepage, product descriptions, and Shopify theme. Want to know how much your competitors are earning? Dropship.io's sales tracker can help. Paste a Shopify store URL, get estimates, total sales, average product price, most sold item, track performance over time. With the store analyzer, you will see their best sellers, traffic estimates, and overall performance. This is perfect for validating product ideas before investing in ads. Found a product you like, save or export it. Click save to add to your product list, then export to CSV. Use it with your Shopify store or import via apps like Overflow or Desserts. Use the saved product list as your launch list ad and test them one by one with Facebook or TikTok ads. And that's it. Now you know about dropship.io, and that's how you use dropship.io to find winning products and spy on your competition. If you are serious about dropshipping in 2025, this tool is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.